May the new year 2021 rock your life, and may God bless and protect you all through the years. Wish you a very happy new year. Dear students, today we are going to do extra question answers of Unit 8, Save Trees, Save Life. Save Trees, Save Life. Unit 8 extra question answers. Children, will start with the fill-ups. Number 1. Trees remove great quantities of dash from global atmosphere. In dash, it will be carbon dioxide, carbon CARBON, carbon DIOXIDE. Carbon dioxide. Tree removes great quantities of carbon dioxide from global atmosphere. Number 2, temperature in the areas of tree is cooler than that away from trees. Once again, temperature in the area of trees is dash than that away from trees. In the dash, we will fill cooler, COOLER. Temperature in the area of trees is cooler than that away from trees. Number 3, trees filter the air we dash. In the dash, we will write breathe, BREATHE. BREATHE, breathe. Trees filter the air we breathe. Number 4, trees provides us with dash which is essential for our survival. In the dash, it will be oxygen, 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 oxygen. Trees provide us with oxygen which is essential for our survival. Number 5, trees conserve dash and reduce dash pollution. In the first dash, it is rainwater. Tree conserves rainwater. RAIN, rain, WATER, water, rainwater, and reduces water, WATER, water pollution. In the first dash, it is rainwater, and in the second one, it is water. Number 6, the roots act as natural filter. The roots, 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 roots act as natural filter. Number 7, a part of water taken by plants is given out by dash in the form of dash. In the first dash, it is leaves, 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 and in the second dash, it is water vapor, WATER, water vapor. A part of water taken by plants is given out by leaves in the form of water vapor. Children, now we will do few extra question answers from the unit itself. Question 1, write 3 ways to save trees. Write 3 ways to save trees. Answer is number 1, plant as many trees as possible. Plant as many trees as possible. Second is do not cut trees. TREES, trees. Do not cut trees. Third one is never waste paper. WASTE, waste, PAPER, paper. So once again I am repeating the answer. Plants as many trees as possible. Do not cut trees. Never waste paper. Question 2. What happened to the arm of the boy when he first put it in water? What happened to the arm of the boy when he first put it in water? Answer is the arm got stuck and turned grey right up to the elbow. The arm got stuck and turned grey right up to the elbow. ELBOW, elbow, full stop. Question 3. How could the boy remain happy? How could the boy remain happy? Answer is the boy could be happy only when the earth was happy. The boy could be happy only when the earth was happy. EARTH, earth was happy. Question 4. What were the fishes doing after the pool was clean? What were the fishes doing after the pool was clean? Answer is the fishes were singing songs and joyfully splashing water. The fishes were singing songs, SINGING, singing songs, 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 and joyfully, JOYFULLY, joyfully splashing, SPLASHING, splashing water. The fishes were singing songs and joyfully splashing water. Children, with this we have done extra question answers and fill-ups. Read the lesson again and again. Next week there will be a test of Unit 8 including these extra questions. Be ready for the same. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.